ladies and gentlemen, we got the bottom part welded on there. I kind of screwed up a little bit, but I fixed it. Right here in the middle, when I was welding the front, somehow it pulled the metal somehow and this shot up. So I had to end up splitting this to relax the metal to get it back where I wanted and weld it back up. We got it. It was almost a small catastrophe, whatever, how you say it. And this is how this piece is going to go in. Still got to do some shaving and trimming on it. But I wanted to do this piece first because to try to do the whole complete thing here that bends and bows so much, I didn't want to take the chance of messing this whole section up from what metal I have left. But yeah, she's coming along. I even put the side panel back on, see if that's going to line up too. It should. I think it's going to be fine. Let me open this door again. Where's it at? There we go. Easy rocker. Yep, there it is. Almost looks like a complete car now. Right. That's all I got for you tonight. Y'all go work on your projects and catch me on the next video.